Just pickled the boiler. Fryer tubes. Pressure release valve will go here. Have to drill a couple of more holes for the outputs. A superheater will come out here, go into here, coil up, coil up, coil up, come back down, go out, and go to the engine. There will be a slide over with this notch cut out of it so that the tube will fit in, and then exit as well, and that will be our smokestack. 4 inches wide, all TIG welded with copper. No risk of any leaks forming now from overheating. You could basically put a torch to this, oxyacetylene, not a cutting torch, but an oxyacetylene flame to this, and it wouldn't separate anything, so even dry. It would glow red, but it wouldn't separate, so I feel very confident in that. Excellent triple beads here for strength, and there, almost solid copper basically. And we'll get this going and do a float test. And I pressure tested it, and it produces excellent steam even with a hole in the top. I had steam shooting out probably at 10 or 15 psi, so it's going to be quite efficient, I think, especially with the Pendleton burner. Well, we're doing a float test of the raw hull Bassett Loke project here, and we are almost finished the boiler. I've roughed the top superstructure now, and I'm working on finishing it up with details. We have the windows for the front cabin berth done. The rear cabin section will be here for the driver, and then a little seat at the back, and a little area with the walk down doorway into the main cabin area, engine room basically. Now inside I have the copper boiler now all welded up, and I've tested the pressure of it, and it's not leaking at all. And with the TIG welding, I won't have to worry about the leaks forming from overheating or anything like that. So, and it doesn't overweight the boat, which is a nice thing. Tested it with water as well, and it floats really, really well. It's well above the water line right now, or well below the water line, and that means that I'll have more room or more ability to put extra weight in, such as batteries, and of course water and the gas tank. But that shouldn't bring it down too much further, so the actual overall weight extra will be less than the copper boiler itself. But it should sit about there. Going to be quite a sporting boat. It definitely doesn't want to fall over like the larger Bassett Loke boat with the top superstructure, because I've used mostly balsa wood and basswood to construct the top. So there you go. We're going to get it piped up hopefully in the next week or so, and we'll be able to test that rear prop and finish the rudder. Have a good day, guys. See ya.